Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video to share with you, and it's an unboxing I haven't done for a while. It is a food subscription box, and this is Degustabox. This is Degustabox UK, and they only ship within the UK. The cost of the box is £12.99, and it contains 10 to 15 food treats that range from savoury foods. We've had crackers, we've had cooking sauces, we've had sweets, we've had drinks, alcoholic, non-alcoholic, big mix of different foods. There is a theme every month, plus inside the box, which I will show you, we get a little card and it details all the products that are inside the box as well as the cost. So I'm able to tot it up and to tell you the overall value at the end. When you sign up to Degustabox, you'll be asked to fill in a little questionnaire, and I'm hoping it's the same as when I first subscribed. In the questionnaire, one of the questions they ask you is if you would like alcohol in your box or not. So if you don't, then they will send you an alternative. If you're interested in trying this Degustabox for yourself, I do have a code which will entitle you to have £5 off your first box. I'll pop that down in my description. So underneath this video, you'll see show more, or click the downward arrow, and that would bring up my description, and all links and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what we got inside. As you can see, it's all bubble wrap packed, and also if there's any glass items inside, that will be double packed as well. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek first. So just going through the leaflets quickly, if you didn't already know, Degustabox have a advent calendar for 2020, and you can purchase it for £33.99 with code ADVENT2020. The total value is £50, and it contains all of Degustabox's favourite food treats. And I've just had an email today asking if I'd be interested in unboxing the advent calendar for you. So I'm going to be opening up a couple of the boxes. Not all of them, because they want it to be kept a secret. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside. I forgot to say as well that this box I paid for myself. Besides the card that tells you everything about the products, all the other leaflets here are all related to the products inside the box. Just promo information about the products, but also we've got a discount voucher here to grab a free pack that is worth £2 to be used, so that you can grab one of those. So going back to the card, the theme for this month is movie night and Halloween. Now I have had a look inside. As soon as this box comes, my kids are like, oh, what can I have, what can I have, what can I have? So they've had one thing to share. I'll show that to you first. They absolutely love this box, especially this month because of the theme. You can imagine movie night, Halloween, there's going to be lots and lots of kid-friendly treats in here. So the first item in the box is a flapjack. This is Bryn Mawr flapjack, lovingly baked in Wales, and this is chocolate flapjack, and it's gluten-free, vegetarian, good source of fibre, wheat-free, no artificial flavours and colours, and he said it was lovely. A little information about this product is what I've read off the front there really, but to buy this is £1.29. Next we've got some chocolate-filled crepes. See there's 8 in total. Can you see close up? Ooh. There. So you've got 8 little individually packed crepes in there. No artificial colours, flavours or preservatives, and no palm oil. It says these yummy crepes are filled with tasty chocolate and made without any preservatives. They are individually wrapped for convenience, making an ideal on-the-go snack. And to buy these, it'll cost you £1.75. Next, got something that I can't wait to try. I absolutely love nachos. I love them. This is Snack Attack, and this is a nachos snack kit. If I turn it around, so you've got a tomato-based salsa there, and you've just got little nachos there. So you just dip them in. Very simple, but the sort of thing that you would get in a cinema, isn't it? Oh, it's tomato salsa and cheese. There's a cheese. There's a little cheese sachet in there, you might not be able to see. So yeah, if you were to buy this, it will cost you £1.50. So is that. Next, we've got something quite exciting. This is a Costa coffee, and this is the smooth medium roast instant coffee with finely ground beans. I love a Costa coffee. The perfect balance of delicate Arabica, is that how you say it, Arabica, and strong Robusta beans, slow roasted for a smooth and nutty flavour and rich aroma. And to buy this, it will cost you £5.50. These are gorgeous. These are Brioche Buns, and there's 6 of them here. And I absolutely love these, toasted with ham and cheese in them. It's so nice. Very similar to a croissant with ham and cheese. Very, very similar. Rich and soft with a beautifully buttery taste, and they're pre-sliced. They're amazingly versatile, so whether you're indulging at breakfast or dishing up something different for dessert, these pre-sliced delicious soft brioche buns are the perfect partner. And these cost you £2. Got some hot chocolate, and this is Maltesers Hot Chocolate. 350 grams. We love hot chocolate in this house. It says delicious top with mini marshmallows, squirty cream, or as an ingredient for your favourite baking recipes. Maltesers instant hot chocolate is available in 350 grams or 180 gram jar. Individual sticks and pods, something for everyone to enjoy. And to buy this, it'll cost £2.59 at this size. It's got some hot chocolate. This is what the kids wanted to open, but I said no, because you'll eat them all, and we've got to share them. There's 5 of us in the house. I'm talking about my 2 little ones. They're the ones that want to get into this box. But yeah, we got Kit Kat senses. I received these before in the Degustabox. I'm sure I have, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, if they're in little pouches, we've got hazelnut praline, salted caramel, double chocolate, and they're all individually wrapped. All right then, let's try one. Woo! Yeah, I have tried these. So you open the top, and then you got them there. I'm going to try salted caramel one. I love Kit Kat. Kit Kat is one of my favourite chocolate bars. Little mini Kit Kat. It's so nice. Information just goes into telling you the different flavours, and to buy this it will cost you £5. Next we've got a Veg Pot, and this is by Naked, Malaysian style rendang curry, and it's mushroom and broccoli. And yeah, it says dried noodles in a mild curry sauce with coconut milk, mushroom, broccoli and coriander. I really like these just for a quick on the go sort of lunch, so I'm really happy to receive this. So it says they are available in 3 delicious authentic flavours: Korean barbecue ramen, Malaysian rendang, which is what I've got, and Chinese green vegetable broth. It just says simply add water for a delicious and nutritious lunch in minutes, and all products are vegan friendly. And to buy this pot it will cost you £1.50. Next we've got some pretzels, and we've got 2 different flavours here. These are Ollie's Pretzels Thins, and there it says multi-seed sesame, and we've got salted original. Now, I don't like pretzels personally. I won't be having those, but I'm sure there's bound to be someone in the family that will demolish them. Not only are they oven baked, extra crispy and super impressive, they also have up to 80% less fat, 45% fewer calories than potato crisps, and come in at less than 98 calories per pack. They're vegan also, and to buy them they would cost you £1 each. Next we've got some Yes bars. These sound lovely. These are 10 grams of plant protein. They're gluten-free, and this is Tasty by Nature, cashew, blueberry and dark chocolate. They're also vegetarian as well. And we have got almond, peanut and double dark chocolate here. They sound great, don't they? And they're really nice and thick. So this is the product of the month, and it says say yes to new yes plant protein bars. 10 gram of plant-based protein with nuts as the #1 ingredient, plus the added luxury of smooth dark chocolate. And it says you will receive 2 of their new flavours, and to buy them individually it will cost you £1.59. So next we've got some more chocolate, but chocolate and peanut butter. Now these are Reese's cups. They're peanut butter cups minis unwrapped. You see, they're little teeny tiny ones. This is now available in minis, bite-sized cups and a convenient share bag. And to buy these, it will cost you £1.50. I really love these. I absolutely love them, but I can't eat a full one. So I'm really glad that we got minis, because then I can eat it. I just find, ooh, I just slapped my leg. I just find that it's just too sickly, and I really, really want to eat it. But they take, you know, the normal cups, take me ages to eat it because I just feel sick. Which is not what you want when you're eating chocolate, is it? Oh no, these are brilliant. These are brilliant. Perfect for me. Look. These are teeny tiny. Perfect. It's just like a little nibble of the bigger cup. So there's those. And then lastly, we've got, this must be like a little sample, we've got a Cookie Cat Wild Berry Cashew and Oat Cookie. Cool. I'll open this up and see what it's like. Ooh. Can you see there? Okay, let's try it. It's just like a natural fruit and nut bar. Very similar to what I'd imagine the Yes bars to be like, but without the chocolate. It's quite nice. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, the information says that this is a gift, so it's an added freebie. A tempting red colour and irresistible taste. A lovely combination of tender cocoa butter drops and sweet with a bitter sour taste of lingonberries. Just one bite and there is no turning back. So there's that. So those are all the items inside this month's Degustabox. I'm just going to add them all up. So there's 15 items inside this box, including that voucher. I'm including that because obviously you need to go into the shop and buy it. But 15 products inside the box and it has a value of £30. Normally in previous boxes I've received, the value is around £20 to £23. So I don't think it's ever been £30 before. I might be wrong. I haven't unboxed it for the last couple of months, so maybe things have changed. I don't know. But yeah, looking at all the food on the floor scattered by my feet, it's definitely a treat time box. This is movie night and Halloween. You've got lots of chocolate, you've got lots of sweets, but you've also got brioche rolls, you've got the hot chocolate, you've got Costa, pretzels, and the little noodles pot as well. So I really like it. I really do like it this month. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Degustabox, or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.